Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum semua. Hari ini saya nak buka dashboard Toyota Fortuner. Okay guys, today I wanna open a dashboard of Toyota Fortuner. So here is the evaporator coil is leaking. Here is the dashboard. This is the new model of Fortuner. We're gonna replace the evaporator coil. Okay guys, so first of all we will open the panel. Here is the panel. We just push it, this panel, yeah, and here is the all clips behind this one. Okay guys, so then first we need to open this, and here is the two Srs Airbag. Here is the airbag. We need to open these two screws. This one first is here, one is here, and one is the other side, this one. And another one is here inside, this one, yeah, this one behind there. Chocolate. Okay guys, so two screw is here, another side, and two is here. So this one, this, so total four, two brackets and with other things. And here's the wiring, this one. Here is the wiring clip and take out. Okay guys, and then this one take like this, try and just push it like this from here, yeah, and here is the side lip. Now this is our meter cover. Just push it like this, take this off, and here is the meter cover. These are the clips only, nothing else. These are the clips here. This all clips, nothing else. You need to open this all four screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and just take out. And here is our wiring. There is a 3 sockets. Cool. All right. We will open. Here's the panel. Yes. Okay, this is the side. These are all clips, nothing else. These are the clips, left and right. Okay, just push it. These are all clips, nothing else. Clips only. Here's the screws. This one here, and this one inside there, and same goes there. We need to open this one. So now we need to open this whole panel. So here's the clips, 1, 2, 3, and just push it, yeah, like this. And here is the whole panel. Okay, these are the clips, nothing else. Yeah, these are all clips. One, two, three, 4, 5, all clips. So here is the wiring. These all sockets. Yeah, this one. Okay guys, so just take out like this. Here's the panel, and these are the two sockets here. This just need to open again. Okay, and this is our complete panel. And these we must need to push it like this. We need to open this. Yeah, just push down. Three. These are the three. One, another side. Okay guys, so here's the locks. Just push them and press it up like this. This one. Okay, so here's our panel. This. Here's our panel. This is complete. Okay, now just push it like this, and here's the clips. Just open it like this. This one. Here's our gear knob. This one. And just push it up. And here's the one wiring. This is the wiring. Yeah, this one. Need to up. This is for gear knob. Yes. And here's the our panel. This one. This is our radio. These are the wirings. Now here's the clips. This one yellow, this one 2, this is a 3 screw, 4, 5 and 6. There is a 6, 7. We need to open this all, and this upper side of our dashboard will be open all. So we need to open this all. These are the hair clip. Just push it like this, and 2 screws there. Same goes to right side here. These are the clips. This one just need to open this all. 2 screws inside. So here's this side panel. Just push it like this, and these are the clips all, nothing else, and like this take up. And same goes to the left side. Just push it. Here's the one clip. This one black color. This is the clip, and same other sides there. We need to open it first. This one. Yeah. Okay guys, so after open this one, these are all the screws. We need to open left side. Same goes here. This one here, and our dashboard's upper side is here, so open all. This one. This, as you guys can see. This one. But before takeout, must need to check, double check everything. Here is the Srs Airbag sockets here. Just need to open. And this one is one screw here. This need to must open first. Okay guys, so here's the SRS. This is the sockets. We just need to push this like this. Pull it out like this. Here, this pull down, and need to get open. It is free upsides. This one. So before we take out, we must need to check, double check the wiring, everything. Yeah, these are the sensors. Here we need to open the wiring first. One is there and one is here. Okay guys, so here's our dashboard. We must need to open these all sockets. These all, this one. Okay. Alright. And here is our evaporator, this one. And now we need to open this downside this one. As usual, all Toyota cars must be in two parts, dashboard, front and down, sorry, up and down. We need to open this one, this screw down, 1 2, and here's we already open. And then this one down there, another one, 2, this one, another side up and down there. These screws we need to open all, and here is also one. So now we're gonna open the console box. There's 2 screws. This one, yeah, this. And then this one here, no need to open this one. Just push it like this, and here's the one screw. Another side is there, this one. And down is there is 2 wiring for eco mode and for power mode. We need to put just pull it up, this cover, this. Here's the locks, 2 locks, this one. We need to pull it up, yeah, like this. And now we need to open this, yeah. Yes, yeah, here. Yes, and this is the upper side of our console, this one, this is the upper side of our console here, this one. Open this upper side. Here's the 2 screw, 1 and 2. And this one. So after open these all 2 screws, these one, these here. Now the downside of our console box is free. We no need to take out, just push it back only here. Enough. We no need to take out, just push it like this for get the free. And here's the 2 screws, this one for downside dashboard, 1, and this one 2, this one need to open again. So again, 1, 2, this one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11. These are the screw for downside of the dashboard, and these 2 after open the console box, then only can open this. Okay guys, so here's the 2 wiring more. One, this is for push start button, and this is for down here, this one for parking sensors and for other things. And this one, and here is the push start, for push start button. This one we need to open this all, and down is a socket for lock, bonnet lock, this one. So after open that one, here is the 2 pins. This is for bonnet and this is for vent, and here is the this. And now we need to open our steering. Two screws, these two. When our steering is more down, easy to comfort to take out this steering dashboard. This doesn't want to open the steering, just pull it down, more down, and just take out the steering dashboard, this one. But must be careful everything. Yeah, these are the downside of our dashboard. So here's everything. Okay guys, so after open this all, we need to open this 1, 2, this is 12 mm screws, 1, 2, 3, this one, 4, and these two, this one, this, and this. And we need to open our screw steering, also need to more down, this 1 or 2, and there is a 1, 3, this screw, this inside. We need to pull down our steering for easy to push it back. And then other sides, these two, this one from outside here, here's this one, this. Okay guys, so now we need to open this expansion valve. There is the screw, this one. We need to open this all first, and then we will go to inside this one. Here, this one, this is the expansion one, number 10. This one, and then just push it, push. Just push. Alright. Okay guys, so here is our evaporator. This is we need to open before to take out the evaporator coil. Okay guys, so these are the wirings. This is for blower, for sensor. These are the wirings. This all here, this place, this one, these sockets, this. Okay, these all wirings is here inside this place. We need to open this all and check everything. Once open, just push it down and take out our evaporator coil. Okay guys, so after open everything wiring, here is our evaporator coil in final stage. This is the wire in the last. There is a downside. Here is our evaporator. This one. So guys, subscribe us for more videos and like our videos. Here is the Toyota Fortuner dashboard. This one.